Come to how to make another beautiful flower. I use a circular shape. You can decide on any size you want, but I use a smaller shape, and then I fold and then I run stitch. Okay, I just want you to watch how I'm doing it. Okay, there's something I want you to take note. I'll be showing you after I made the second one. Alright, can you see now? The two faces must face the same side. Okay, so you have to watch it by the time you are doing your own. So can you see now that they are both facing the same side? So everything must face the same side. So and that's just how I'll do till I get to the end of the fifth one. And then the previous design I showed you earlier about the three design, it was actually made like this. Okay, it was made like this, but it was just three. So I'm still going to show you. Alright, see now, if it was that three alone you want to do, you can make three alone, you can make four alone. Just tighten it and tie it. That's the design. So if you want it 4, if you want it 5, if you want it 6, depending on what you want. So you just gather them together and then you pull the thread. If there's anyone flaying, use your candle or your lighter to burn it. Okay, just gather it together and then pull very well. Make sure it's very tight. Pull tightly. Can you see it now? Pull tightly. Make sure it's tight and then you retie again. And you cut off the thread. So you can make a bigger size of this one and you place this small size on it depending on what you want, or you just leave it like this, or you make it just the bigger size you want. So I want to make different designs concerning this one. Okay, and I just take a trim is, I bond off the thread on it, then apply my gum, and then our flower is ready. I've noticed this is very very common, and this sells, depending on location, this sells for 100 naira, 70 naira, depending on your location. So imagine making 1 dozen of these and selling. So that's the end of the flower making. Very simple and beautiful.